Well, if you know what this means, getting ready to try and dip Garrett's Blazer. Touched up all of his sides, fresh flat black. His engine base flat black. He's still got to paint this. He got his bumpers out. And then we got to mask the engine. I'm going to take the grills off. That little insert right there's got to come out because you can't get under it with dip. So you got to paint it off. The marker lights, they'll get taped up, as well as these corner lights will get removed. These will get taped. And we're not really spraying in that area, but when we come across, there is going to be dip right here on the hood, so you're going to be in that general area. We're just going to tape it. Probably just tape and drape this whole area so we can keep it off the radiator when we're spraying the bumper. We'll spray the ground effect too, the air dam. Got this side mostly done. We got a little body work we got to do right here, but mostly ready. He's got the fuel door off. We are going to put it back on. You can see where the dip got last time. We still got to peel that from the last time. But yeah, he's got all the side markers done. All taped up. Garrett did all this week. We got to peel these, put these down to protect the those. And then we'll tape up in here real good. Get all this stuff, get this taped off. Gotta do all that today. That goes pretty quick. There's not a lot to do back there. He does need to tape off the Chevrolet sign, but that's about it. So we're gonna have a couple cameras doing the whole process, and then I'll edit and put them all together, showing us the full video. Going to be working on it today and tomorrow, so there's going to be a lot of cut segments and stuff, but we'll get it the best we can. I just wanted to show you guys what we've been up to. Been a long time since we made a video, so this is going to be the video parts of Garrett dipping his Blazer again, and he's actually going to spray it with the new dip system. He's doing all the work because my back hurts and I'm not doing it. The only thing I might do is help him on the roof, just because I can reach, and that'd be the only reason. Other than that, he's going to dip the sides, the bottom, back, pearl. I'll get the roof with the pearl. He'll get the hood. All that shit will get done. It's going to be awesome. New color coming. You know, a long time ago, we showed you guys what color we were doing. I don't know if any of you paid attention to those videos, but it's out there. But if you don't know, you'll get to see it very shortly. Not going to be too long from now when this thing's got dip on it. Hopefully we're dipping it Sunday. Today is Saturday, so only a day away, and then we got to edit. So hopefully I'll have the new video out on Monday for everyone to watch. And you get to see Garrett's new color. So stay tuned.